First of all, I would like to respect camera woman and respect my partner. Today I want to review water bottle in our resort that it is the water bottle is so big, yes, and then we can put the water in the water bottle and it's so cold and hot. If you put water hot and water cold, I get it sao tại sao ông lệ it's so water cold and water hot, yes. If you want to bán bán if you want to ban this water bottle you can come to stay in our happy resort Siem Reap, and then you can join play game join play game in our resort. That the game is lẹกระดาษรับตึก my presentation is finished, yes. Say goodbye. ជម្រាបលា